Hello and welcome to How to Science. Today, we are going to be talking about the 5 mechanisms of evolution. Before we start, there is a little disclaimer. You're going to want to know what a gene pool is because I don't explain it, but I do reference it. I've linked a couple of videos down below which explain it well. Okay, so this is Charles Darwin. Often referred to as the father of evolution, Darwin is most famously known for his theory of natural selection. But that's just one of the 5 mechanisms of evolution. First, let's talk about non random mating. Non random mating is just a fancy way of saying that organisms choose to reproduce with other organisms based on certain characteristics. For example, let's say that it's mating season for a population of beetles. There's a female beetle and 3 male beetles for her to choose from. Because she's a brown beetle, she'll choose the brown male. If it was all random, all of them would have had an equal chance. Non random means that one of them has a greater chance because of certain traits they possess. Next up, gene flow. Gene flow is the migration of organisms to and from a population, thereby affecting its gene pool. For example, let's say that we have 2 groups of beetles, one blue and one red. When a red beetle travels into the blue group, the gene pool of the blue group is changed. Next up, small population, more commonly known as genetic drift. This is when changes in the gene pool occur due to random chance. For example, if a group of beetles is half red and half blue, and by random chance a hurricane wipes out 3 blue beetles, then the gene pool is changed. Then there's something called mutation. Mutations are abnormalities or mistakes in DNA typically made during DNA replication. For this example, let's say there's a clan of blue beetles. One day, a pregnant beetle gives birth to a red beetle. This happened because there was a mutation in the DNA of the gametes, also known as sex cells. Now, finally, we come to natural selection. Natural selection is the process by which nature selects certain traits over others in a population in order to better adapt the organisms who live there to their habitat. For example, let's say that there's a beautiful grassland with both green and red beetles living there. One day, a bird comes along and is searching for some beetles to eat. Well, the green beetles are camouflaged, so the predator can't see them. So instead, the predator eats the red beetles, since he can see them. Now, there are no more red beetles and only the green beetles exist. The green beetles reproduce, and now there are more green beetles than ever. Because the green beetles weren't getting eaten by the predator, the green color trait survived and the red color trait went extinct, thereby changing the gene pool. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.